Hey team, welcome to week 4. This video is explaining the TENS activity that we'll be completing before each math lesson every day. As I said, this is for week 4. Our TENS are done for roughly about 10 minutes each day. Now this activity doesn't go for a long time and it doesn't go for a long time. It's only a short, sharp warm-up activity. So what we're going to work with today is we're working with friends of 20. We worked with friends of 10 with Mrs. Fletcher. Now we are going to work with friends of 20. That is our learning intention for this week. Our learning intention is, I am learning to create friends of 20. What you'll need for this activity is a deck of cards, and I would like you to find the ace. So we know that when we put an ace permanently on the board, that is going to be in our tens column because an ace equals 1. Now, all I have to do is turn over one card when I have my ace already up on the board. My first card that I turn over is a 3. I'm going to put that next to it. Now remembering that the ace equals 1 or 10, because it's now in the tens column, I put a 1 and a 3, which equals 13. I need to find what number do I need to add to 13 to reach 20. So how I would do that is, I would put 13 in my head, and I would count on by ones until I reach 20. So let's do that. 13, I've locked 13 in my head. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What have I added on here? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 13 plus 7 equals 20. So I know that 13's friend of 20 is 7. I'll give you another example. I'll take my 3 down and I'll put it over here, but I leave my ace up there because that's the 1 in our tens column. So that 1 actually equals 10. My next card that I turn over is 4. I put 4 up here. 4, 1 and 4 equals 14. I need to see what number I need to add to 14 to reach 20. So I am going to now put 14 in my head, and I'm going to count on from there until I reach 20. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So how many times have I counted then? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know that 14 plus 6 equals 20. I'll give you one more example. Taking my 4 down but leaving my ace up there. I've turned over an 8. Putting it next to my 1 or my 10, because it's in the tens column, it now equals 18. So another way to write it is, another way to explain it, 18 plus what equals 20. So I'm trying to find what number do I put here to equal 20. So I put 18 in my head, and I'm going to count forwards until I reach 20. So 18, 19, 20. So 1, 2. If I put 18 plus 2 equals 20, 18's friend of 20 is 2. Or 2's friend of 20 is 18. You could say it either way. With a tens activity, I would like to see how many equations you can get done in 10 minutes. Sometimes it's fine to put a timer up on the board or on your laptop or device, or even on a phone that you might have at home. Putting an alarm on and saying, here we go, timer start, go. Try and get as many done as you can. Let's try and build on that. So time yourself on Monday and say you get done 10. Try and reach 11 on Tuesday, then 12 on Wednesday, and so on. Try and build up from the day before. All that progressing our knowledge. And you will, with the more practice you get, the more practice you have, you'll end up becoming much quicker than the day before, because you're exercising your mind in this area of learning. The learning intention, once again, I am learning to create friends of 20. I really look forward to seeing this activity, guys. Send photos, send your work through. Have a great week and have fun. See you guys.